Good morning, friends. Today we will explain the remaining part of 5.3 exercise. First question, find the sums given below. You want to find out the sums. Actually, this is an arithmetic progression but a finite AP. First term 7 and last term 84. So we want to find out the sum of this arithmetic progression. That is this sum of this much terms from 7, 10 and a half, 14 plus etc. 84. So here first term A 7 and the common difference D A2 minus A1, 10 and a half minus 7, 3 and a half, and the last term An is equal to 84. Simply adding not possible. You can add but it will take time. Okay. So that first what we will find out from the term An, we will find out the number of terms in this sequence. How many terms are there, that we will find out. Okay. So that I taken first An. This type of any sum you find out from An, you find out the number of terms. So here A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 84 got. Calculations only 7 plus n minus 1 into 3.5 is equal to 84. So n minus 1 into 3.5 is equal to 84 minus 7. So what you are getting? 77. 84 minus 7, 77. Okay. Then n minus 1 into 3.5 we can write as 7 by 2. Anyway you calculate, I told you several times. Is equal to 77. Therefore n minus 1 is equal to 77 divided by 7 by 2. That is equal to 2 by 7. So this 77 and this 7 will cancel. You will get 11 here. 11 into 2, 22. So n minus 1 is equal to 22. Therefore n is equal to 22 plus 1, 23. So in short, calculation is your work only. In short, we found out the value of n. N in method you find the value of n. So n you got 23. Now what is your question? Your question is to find the sum. You want to find the sum of this one. For finding out the sum, so it is a finite AP. Therefore, formula you say Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. Clear? Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. So that we will apply that formula. See here. Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. So n how much coming? 23. So I written here as 23 is equal to 23 by 2 into first term 7, last term 84. Okay, 23 by 2 into 91. So you got the answer as 1046.5. Okay, clear all of you? So last conclusion I written here. So sum is equal to 1046.5. Okay, this type of all the sums, this is the best method. And now second question teacher written as homework. Okay, and the third question, question number 5. So third question, minus 5 plus minus 8 plus minus 11 plus etc. minus 1 to 30. Here also first term. Okay, how much got A? Minus 5. And what is the A2 minus A1? A2 is minus 8 minus minus 5. So minus 8 plus 5, that is equal to minus 3. Okay. Now, what is the value of An? Minus 230. So, method knowing you now. So, apply the formula and find out the value of N. See here. Minus 5 and minus 1 into minus 3. Minus 230. Clear calculation knowing by you. So, minus 230. This minus 5 coming this side plus 5. So, minus 225. So, n minus 1 into minus 3 is equal to minus 225. So, n minus 1 is equal to minus 225 by minus 3. So, that is equal to what you got? 75. So, n minus 1 is equal to 75. Therefore, what is the value of n? 75 plus 1, 76. Therefore, S is equal to n by 2 into first term plus last term. Okay. So, S76 is equal to In the place of n, you apply the value of n, 76 by 2. The value of a is minus 5 and value of L is equal to minus 230. So minus 230 minus 5, how much coming? Minus 235. Minus 235 multiplied by 38. So only one minus, so minus written here. Multiply and write. Okay, got the answer? Clear? Okay, students? Now, next third section is there. Do as directed. All of you open your textbook and see. All are very simple sums are there. Somewhat complicated sums, somewhat steps sums are there. I already explained in the video. So that teacher written 1, 2, 3 are homework. Okay. So lockdown you also want to do something. So do all this 1, 2, 3 do as homework. And now next question is fourth one. Question in fourth one, read by yourself. Make it clear first what is given. What is given? A3 15 given and S10 125 given. S10 125 given. A3 is given 15, S10 given as 125. Find the value of D and A10. You read the question properly, what you want to find out, how can find out, that all you think. So very easily you will get the method. So what is given here? A3. What is the short formula of A3? A plus 2D. A plus 2D, how much given? 15. So keep it as question number 1. So here also you give, what you go given? S10. No need of any confusion. You knowing what is the short formula of S10. So in this, from this formula one also you will get one equation. Solving that two equations you will get the value of D and A10. So first you analyze the question once or twice. So easily all the answers will come. So A3 is equal to what will come? A plus 2D is equal to 15. And S10, teacher written the formula S10 is equal to N by 2, 10 by 2 plus 2A plus N minus 1 into D. N minus 1 direct I written 9D. So what is the short formula of this S10? S10 is equal to 10 by 2 into 2A plus 9D is equal to 125. So what is 2A plus 9D? 125 by 5. Okay. So 125 by 5. When you are seeing the video now, along with you also start to write. So you also will get the answer along with me. So what is the value of 2A? Sorry, what is the value of this one? 2A plus 9D, how much got? 25. Clear, students? So this you give it as equation number 2 and this you give it as equation number 1. So equation number 2 and 1 we are direct solving not possible. So that equation number 1 I multiplied by some number. You can see here. See here. Equation number 1 I am 2 solving. 2A plus 9D is equal to 25 written. And equation number 1. So what is equation number 1? Once more you see. A plus 2D only. So A plus 2D solving or direct A will not cancel. So that this equation number 1 I multiplied by 2. So what you got? See in the question paper. See here 2A plus 4D is equal to 30. What I done? First equation multiplied by 2 gives, this is symbol multiplying. Multiplying 1 by 1 means equation number 1 by 2 gives, okay, 2A plus 4D is equal to 30. So subtracting, here we subtracted 2A minus 2A cancelled, 9D minus 4D 5D. So 25 minus 30 minus 5. Okay. So D is equal to minus 5 by 5 is equal to minus 1. So what's the value of D got? D got minus 1. That is your first answer got. So all the answers I already kept in box. So D is equal to how much got? Minus 1. What is your next question now? You go to the question next day. What do you want to find out? You see once more. Find D and A10. For finding out A10, what you need? What's the formula of A10? A plus 9D. So you are knowing the value of A? No. So first time you want to find out. That only we are going to find out. From equation number 1. What is equation number 1? A plus 2D is equal to 15. In the place of D, we applied the value minus 1. So A plus minus 2 is equal to 15. This minus 2 going this side plus 2. Therefore you got the value of A 70. Okay. A, how much got? 70. D, how much got? -1. Now what is your question? Find out A10. So what's the formula A10? A plus 9D, short formula written. Okay. So you should write the main formula. What is the formula? An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, right? So A10, what is A10? A plus 9D. So A how much? 17 plus 9 into what's the value of D? -1. So 17 minus 9 into 1 9. So what's the answer got? A10 is equal to how much? 8. Okay. This is full questions are only calculations. Any typical main sums are there, that only there only we need more explanation. Now question number 5 again teacher written as form up. And next question number 6, you see what is given? Read it. A is equal to, B is equal to 8 and Sn is equal to 90. This type of sums are important. Sn is equal to 90. And what do you want to find out? Find the n and an. Find n and an. Okay. So for finding out n, we have only one point, Sn given. From Sn we have to find out the value of n. See here, what's the formula of Sn? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So from this one we will find out the value of n. Here you see in the equation, which you knowing, Sn knowing now. What is the value of Sn? 90. And what is the value of A? Knowing. What is the value of D? Yes. What is unknown? Only n is unknown. So we can find out the value of n. Okay. Sn how much given? 90. So apply. In the place of Sn you give the value 90 is equal to n by 2 into 2 into what's the value of A? 2 plus n minus 1 into what's the value of D? 8. Okay. 90 is equal to n by 2 into 2 into 2 4. Then open this bracket, 8 and minus 8. Okay. Calculate here. Minus 8 plus 4. How much coming? -4. Therefore what you got? 90 is equal to n by 2 into 8 and minus 4. So here this 2 and this 2 we can cancel. That is why teacher taken only 2 common outside. Okay, here actually 4 can take common outside. What's the need of 4 taking? Again you want to multiply, no? It is much better how much necessary that much you take common outside. Here I taken 2 common outside. So 2 common outside coming, what will come? 4 and minus 2. This 2 and this 2 will cancel now. Yes. Calculation I told you, any method. And 90 is equal to n into 4n minus 2. Open this bracket. 4n into 4n, 4n square minus 2n. So now arrange it as an equation. You see here, what you got here? You got a quadratic equation. So last year you have studied a polynomial factorization, studied no, same. So we will factorize this one. So here anything common is there in this equation, anything common, 2 common, no? So I divided by 2, dividing throughout by 2. So 2n square minus n minus 45. Now what are you splitting middle term also, all of you know. 45 into 2, 90. Find out 2 numbers, their sum is -1. So minus 10 plus 9, how much coming? -1. So splitting middle term, no need to explain again. Okay, minus 10n plus 9n. So here from these 2 terms the maximum common take outside 2n. Here what is maximum common? 9. Okay, so what you got here? N minus 5. Here also n minus 5. Take outside. And 2n plus 9. Okay. So how many factors you got now? 2 factors. 2n plus 9 and n minus 5. So the product of 2 factors is equal to 0. The meaning is that each factor equal to 0. 2n plus 9 equal to 0. N minus 5 equal to 0. So n minus 5 is equal to 0, then what you will get? N is equal to plus 5. Okay. So here n what you will get? A minus 9 by 2. But you knowing n is a, what is n? What is the meaning of n? N is the number of terms. number of terms never will become negative and never will become fraction. So minus 9 by 2 is possible? Not possible. Then which is possible? N is equal to 5 only possible. So you got now one answer. What is your question? Find n and n. So one answer got. So I kept in box. What is the value of n? N is equal to 5. Now your question is that find the value of, find an or a5. Actually in your textbook only an written. An written, the meaning is that you write the value of an in terms of n only, right? A5 asking, you write a5. Now I written here an only. Okay. What's the formula of an? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. In the place of a I written 2 and in the place of d I written as 8. So you got the value of an. An is equal to how much got? 8, 10 minus 6. An asking, you want to find out only an. And here specifically a5 asking, then only you want to find out a5. So but in some textbook a5 written. So you find out a5 also. Okay, got clear? Yes. You all of you copied? Copy all of you. Copy all of you fast. Now question number 7. Given A is equal to 8, An is equal to 62, Sn is equal to 210, find the value of n and d. Okay, find the value of n and d. So here you see, question listen, Sn given. First term knowing, last term knowing. So which formula we will apply first? Suddenly you think. So you want to find out the value of n. So what we will write there? Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. That is first formula. I given a formula for finite tape, you know that. Sn is equal to n by 2 into first term plus last term, a plus a. Why we are applying this formula? Because a and n directly given, no, that is why. So find out. Sn is equal to, in the place of Sn, we apply the value of Sn, 210, n by 2 into first term plus last term. Applied it. Therefore, 210 is equal to n by 2 into 70. So this 2 and 70 will cancel, 35. Therefore 210 is equal to n into 35. For n is equal to 210 by 35. Okay. So what is the value of n? You got 6. Now what is your question? Your question is that one more term you want to find out now which one? D. You want to find out the value of D. Now what is the formula for n? N already given as 62 and the value of a knowing 8 and the value 6, n minus 1. N means what will come? 6 minus 1 into d is equal to 62. Therefore 8 plus 6 minus 1 means 5d is equal to 62. So 5d is equal to 62 minus this 8. How much will come? 54. Okay. So what is the value of d? 54 divided by 5. Okay students. The value of d also you got and the value of n also got. Clear? Okay, copy it. Then we will move to the next question. Question number 8 I written as homework again. Now question number 9. Question number 9. Okay, now 9th question you read. Given a is equal to 3, n is equal to 8, s is equal to 192, find the value of d. These all are simple sums, sir. Okay. Sn is equal to, this is the formula, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. The value of S how much? 192. N is given as 8 by 8, 8 by 2. The value of A given, and here N minus 1, that means 8 minus 1, direct written here 7D. Okay, so 192 is equal to 8 by 2, 4 plus 6, 7D. Okay, and this 4 you divide here, 192 by 4, 48 will come, 6 plus 7D. So what do you want to find out? D. Therefore 48, bring this side, 48 minus 6. So how much coming? 42 is equal to 7D. Therefore what is the value of D? 42 by 7, that means 6. The value of D is 6. Okay. Now question number 10 I written as homework. Okay, that is third section means fully mix up sums was there, and 1 or 2 sums only it was little complicated calculations. Okay, that teacher already explained and given. And now question number 4. Listen here. How many terms of the AP 9, 17, 25 etc. must be taken to give a sum of 636? Okay, this AP is how many terms adding you will get a 636. Once more read, make it clear. How many terms of the AP 9, 17, 25 must be taken to give a sum of 636. Short meaning this much only. In this AP is how many terms adding you will get 636. So how many terms? How many terms means what you want to find out? You want to find out the value of n. How many terms? So what do you want to find out? You want to find out the value of n. Clear? So given AP is C 9, 17, 25 etc. Therefore the value of A knowing as 9 and value of D knowing as C 82 minus A1, that is 17 minus 9, 8. So SN how much given? 636. This is your question. So already sum given. For making the sum 636, how many terms you want to add? That is your question. So from SN, value knowing now, what is the value of SN? 636. From this SN you want to find out the value of N. Previous same type of sum done. Okay, see here. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Clear? Apply the value of Sn 636, n by 2 into a already knowing. Apply here a 2 into 9 plus n minus 1 into the value of d is 8. So 636 is equal to n by 2 into 2 into 9, 18 plus 8n minus 8. Clear steps are? Steps are clear now? So 636 is equal to n by 2 into 18 minus 8, how much coming? 10. So 8n. So 8n plus 10. Okay? Steps you make it clear. So 636 is equal to n by 2 into, here what we taken? We taken 2 common outside. Okay, 2 common outside taking, what will come here? 4n, and here what will get? A 5. Okay, this 2 and this 2 will cancel now. Yes. So 636 is equal to n into 4n plus 5. Okay, now we will multiply here. 4n into n, 4n square, 5 into n, 5n. Okay, this is 636, we are taking this side. That is why here minus k. Okay, 636 equal to 0. Is it clear? Now what you got? You got a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation means you have to split the middle term. Middle term split. So 636 into 4 multiply, and it's a factors while taking, you want to get the middle term, split the middle term. Factors which you are taken 53 and 48. The split factors, how split I didn't shown here, but you know I know. Okay, 636 factors and 4 factors. From the factors, we find two numbers. Their sum should be plus 5. Such a way selecting. So which are the numbers? 53 and 48. Plus 53 minus 48. Plus 53 minus 48, how much coming? Plus 5. Okay. Now here also maximum common take outside, how much coming maximum common? N. So 4n plus 53. Here what is the maximum common? Minus 12. Minus 12 full I take on common outside. So what will come here? 4n plus 53. Okay. Here 4n plus 53 and here also 4n plus 53. Common take outside. So what you will get here? N minus 12 into 4n plus 53 equal to 0. Clear? So product of two factors got now. Therefore each factor equal to 0. 4n plus 53 equal to 0. So n minus 12 equal to 0. Therefore n is equal to 12 and 4n. From here what you will get? The value of n you are getting minus 53 by 4. It is not possible. So already I explained. N is n. Always you want to get n is a positive integer, but here you got fraction and at the same time you got minus. Therefore minus 53 by 4 is not possible. So what is the value of n? N is equal to 12. So how many terms adding you will get 636? 12 terms adding you are getting it is 636. Okay students? So copy it fast. Copy all of you. Copy all of you. Copied. Now question number 5. Again I written as homework. And this is the last question in today's video. Question number 6. The first and the last terms of an AP are 17 and 350 respectively. So what is the first term? A. A means how much given? 17. Last term means what is given? AN. AN is equal to how much given? 350. And if the common difference is 9, if the common difference means what is given? D given 9. How many terms are there and what is their sum? Question properly read and what you want to find out and what is given in the question you think. So A how much given? 17. A last term how much given? 350. And what is the given common difference? D given as 9. So what is your question? How many terms are there in the AP? So how many terms? So how many terms we will find out from where? From AN. What's the formula for AN? AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to 350. What's the value of A? 17. N minus 1 into, what's the value of D? 9. Apply here. So N minus 1 into 9 is equal to 350 and the 17 I taken this side. So minus 17 is equal to 333. 333. Okay. So what's the value of n minus 1? N minus 1 into 9 is equal to 333. Therefore n minus 1 is equal to 333 divided by 9. So how much got? 37. Therefore the value of n is equal to how much? 37 plus 1, that is equal to 38. So you got how many terms? How many terms are there? 38 terms are there. So how many terms? 38 terms. Now what is your question? Go through question again. How many terms are there? Terms you already found out. And now what is your question? What is their sum? So find out the sum. What is the formula for finding out the sum? Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus An. Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus An. What is the value of n? This is not 12 n, 2 only, n by 2. So n is equal to how much? 38. 38 by 2 into the value of A is first term 17 and the last term 350. So everywhere now, which here this type of questions coming, you want to think which formula. Here first term and last term already given, so that we are applying this formula. If first term and last term not knowing, we will apply another formula. Which one? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here first time last time knowing, that is why we applied this formula. So 38 by 2 into 17 plus 350. So that is equal to 367 into 19. So you got the answer is 6973. So you got the number of terms got and the Sn got. Clear? Copy now. All of you copy first. Okay. Okay students, so the remaining sums I will explain on tomorrow. Okay, bye.